Over the last months, it has been increasingly more difficult to deposit money on Binance in the UK, to the point where you are no longer available to use a debit or credit card from your actual bank for most of the banks to deposit on Binance. So today I'm going to show you an easy way where you can deposit money on Binance and onto the BSC network so you can buy your favorite altcoins. Hello and welcome guys. In today's video I'm going to show you an easy way to deposit on Binance and then BSC network so we can actually buy some of those cryptos. So we're going to be using a website called KuCoin. So you obviously need to register and go through your profile verification, but once you do that, in the top left you have buy crypto. You will be presented with this screen. You want to select the amount that you want to deposit, 20. Well, the minimum is 30 USD, so we will go with 30 USD, and I will actually choose USDT for my preferred method, because you can see that BNB is not available here, so you'll have to choose USDT. And for a $30 deposit, the fee is at around $1, so it's not bad. So once you enter the amount of dollars that you want to deposit as well as the cryptocurrency you want to receive, on the left you will have to select your payment method. I obviously go for the Visa or MasterCard, as that is what my bank account is currently operating in. And on the right you can select your payment channel. Usually go for Banxa, as it has the best fees, the lowest fees. So it will only cost me $8 to buy $30 worth of cryptocurrency. Once you selected all of that, you have to go and click confirm, and you will be taken to Banxa, where you will complete your purchase. Once you complete your deposit, you will be taken back to the KuCoin website, and in order for you to see your balances, you have to go top right, hover over assets and click the overview button. And you will see that your assets overview are now worth $29, so the $1 fee has already been taken. And you go into your main account, and you can see that USDT has now come through, $29. It will take a couple of minutes. For me, it took about 10 minutes for it to go through. And now what you want to do is log into your Binance account. You hover over the wallet button, go into overview, and in this section you can see USDT right here. I already own 20 cents of USDT from the fees and stuff, so it will show for me right at the top. But if you guys don't see USDT in the overview section, you can go into fiat and spot, and right here you can find USDT for yourself. Just go search coin USDT and you can see it right here. So what you want to click on is deposit, and when you go into deposit you will be presented with this screen. You want to select coin, obviously USDT, and deposit to network. You will go for Tron, TRX, TRC20. I'll always go for Tron because it has lowest fees right now compared to Ethereum or a BSC, but BSC is not available for USDT to withdraw from in KuCoin. As you can see, networks, you don't have BSC, you can only go for Ethereum, Tron, so I always go for Tron. So once you select the Tron, you will be presented with this screen. You go and press the get address button, copy it to clipboard, and then go back to KuCoin website. In the KuCoin website you want to do the same, but instead of pressing deposit you want to press withdraw. Wallet address, you just paste what you copied from Binance site, and then network you will go for Tron as well. You can't actually select any other networks because it automatically detects the Tron address. For that you want to select the amount that you want to deposit. For me it's going to be maximum amount. You can just press right here and we'll select the maximum amount, $28, so we already lost $2 on this deposit, and then go and press confirm transaction. To withdraw your money you will have to go through some verifications, so in this instance it is an SMS verification. Just go through that, enter the SMS or the email code that you receive, and at the top you should see that it has been successful and you have withdrawn money from KuCoin all the way to Binance through the Tron network. And moving back to the Binance website, to see if the transfer has gone through, you just go to Binance website and in the top right hover over your wallet and then go into overview. Again, it would take a couple of minutes. For me it took about 2 to 3 minutes for the money to show in my account. So you can see that now I have $28.4 on my Binance account in USDT. So now what you want to do is go into the market section and buy BNB. We go to the Binance BUSD section. You will be taken to the market website, and you can see in the top left that it says BNB BUSD. What you want to look for is BNB USDT. On the top right, you can see BNB USDT. Just press on that one and then just buy BNB using the USD that you have. So slide this all the way across if you want to spend all of your money. So for me, that's $28 into BNB. I will receive a 0.08 BNB. Just look at the price. If you want to instantly buy, just look at the price. It is now $318.66. So just type in here 70 cents. Well, now it's 82, 83. So just type in 85 and you will automatically buy your BNB. Your balance is not enough. And now the limit order has gone through. And if we go into our wallet, you can see that now I own BNB instead of USDT. So I have 0.08 BNB, and from here you can actually withdraw your BNB into the BSC network. So for me, that's MetaMask. Just go into your MetaMask extension, copy your address, and then withdraw the BNB onto the address that you have. So BSC Binance Smart Chain Network, go into maximum BNB withdrawal, withdraw, and then confirm, and you will have to go through security again in order to withdraw that money. And again, you will have to wait a couple of minutes for the money to appear from Binance in your MetaMask account, in your MetaMask wallet. That obviously works for other BSC wallets, but I just use MetaMask to show you in this example. So that's it for this video. There is a couple of extra steps that you now have to take in order to deposit your money from a credit or debit card and put it on the BSC network to buy your favorite altcoin. That's the way it is going to be unless Binance comes up with an solution to this problem that the banks are banning Binance in the UK. Maybe they will come up with Binance UK to satisfy the legislations and the laws that are currently in place in the UK. We currently don't know, but we will find out soon if they actually have a solution in place. You will also incur some extra fees for these transfers, but if you want to buy your favorite altcoins and trade on PancakeSwap, then obviously you need money on the BSC network. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next.